Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and dice up the ham, and we're not going to need this whole ham, so I'll cut it about in half, and we'll just move the rest out of the way, and we'll use it for. Now this ham's already cooked. All I'm going to be doing is dicing it, and then we're just basically going to be reheating it when we cook it with the potatoes. Good. And we'll just slice it into chunks about the same size as the potatoes. Okay, and we will go the other direction now. Put it in our bowl. And the other two pieces we'll just do together. Turn them this way. And just run over it with the knife. And one more time. This piece on the end that's kind of big, so we'll just chop that up.